Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Final Fantasy XIV. First, download the free trial, which includes the base game and its first two major expansions, offering hundreds of hours of content. Next, select a data center and world that provides a stable connection and a welcoming community. Then, choose a starting class that suits your preferred combat role, whether you enjoy tanking, healing, or dealing damage. Finally, begin your adventure by following the main scenario quests to unlock new features and areas. Understanding the three core combat roles is crucial for success in Final Fantasy XIV. Tanks are responsible for absorbing incoming damage and maintaining enemy focus, protecting their allies. Healers keep the party alive by restoring health and providing crucial buffs. Damage dealers, often called DPS, concentrate on maximizing their offensive output to defeat foes quickly. Mastering your chosen job's unique abilities and optimal rotations will significantly enhance your effectiveness. Your journey through Final Fantasy XIV is guided by the main scenario questline, which unlocks new regions, dungeons, and essential game features. Regularly participating in dungeons and trials is vital for gaining experience points and acquiring stronger equipment. Consider joining a free company, which is the game's guild system, for social interaction, assistance, and group content. Additionally, exploring crafting and gathering professions can provide self-sufficiency and a rewarding way to earn gil. As you embark on your adventure, remember to take your time and fully immerse yourself in the rich story and expansive world of Eorzea. Never hesitate to ask questions in the game's chat channels or within various online communities. The Final Fantasy XIV community is generally very welcoming. Utilize the Novice Network, a special chat channel for new players, where experienced mentors can offer guidance. Finally, feel free to experiment with different jobs to discover what truly resonates with your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.